In this video, you'll learn how to clear the cache on Cloudflare so your visitors always see the most up-to-date version of your website. We'll keep things simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what it actually does behind the scenes. First, make sure you're already logged into your Cloudflare account in your browser. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Cloudflare dashboard. This is where all of your websites or zones are listed. Find the website you want to work with and click on it to open its overview page. It's important to choose the correct site here, especially if you manage more than one domain, because any cache changes you make will only apply to the website you've selected. Once your site is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Cloudflare organizes its features into different sections there. You're looking for the section labeled Caching. Click on Caching and then choose Configuration. This is the area where you can control how Cloudflare stores and serves cached versions of your content. On the caching configuration page, scroll until you see the section called Purge Cache. And this is where you can tell Cloudflare to remove stored copies of your site's files from its edge servers. Cloudflare's cache is what helps your site load faster for visitors around the world, but sometimes you need to clear that cache if you've made updates that aren't showing up yet. Within the Purge Cache section, you'll see an option called Purge Everything. Go ahead and click the Purge Everything button. Cloudflare will likely show you a confirmation message or prompt just to make sure you understand this action will remove all cached content for this site from Cloudflare's network. Confirm that you want to proceed. After you do, Cloudflare will start clearing the cache across all of its data centers. This doesn't delete your actual website or your files on your server. It simply removes the saved copies Cloudflare has been using to speed things up. As new visitors come to your site, Cloudflare will fetch fresh content from your origin server and start caching it again based on your existing caching rules. Keep in mind that purging everything is a powerful action. It's really useful right after a major site update, a redesign, or when you fixed a bug that wasn't appearing correctly for users. However, because it temporarily removes the performance benefit of caching until Cloudflare rebuilds it, you don't want to overuse it if you can avoid it. After you've clicked Purge Everything, wait a few moments and then visit your website in a private or incognito browser window to check that your latest changes are visible. If you still don't see your changes, you may also need to clear your browser cache or check that your site's own server-level caching is not holding on to an old version. That's all there is to it. You opened your Cloudflare dashboard, selected your website, went to Caching, then Configuration, and used the Purge Everything option under Purge Cache. Once you've done this a couple of times, it becomes a quick and reliable way to make sure your visitors are always seeing the latest version of your site through Cloudflare.